Hello everyone, today we will talk about the Chives announce on the Discord, and if you are not one of those guys on that, then my advice to you is soon you can do it, and by the way, do it now, okay? So just scroll down on their website and you will find a link for the Discord. Just click and join us and you will know a lot of stuff you are missing at the moment. Okay, so let's keep going. So the announce was about the net space for the first time they hit the 100 petabytes, and because of that, what they will do it is a giveaway, airdrop. So for you to get that airdrop, you only have to go to their websites, okay, where Chives Swap, and here this in fact is the only exchange at the moment. This is going to change soon, but at the moment this is the exchange where you can in fact change your Chives for USD. Okay, so that means you can change for fiat. We talk about dollar, and you can do it. Do you know that? Maybe not. Now you know. So guys, come on, join the chivescoin.net, and here you can do two things. You can start to sell your coins if you already mine them. If you never mine them and but you are interested on the project, then you can buy them here. Or you can even go for the new airdrop they announce on the Discord. So let's go for the Discord's airdrop. Here it is. You only have to press there, then you have to do your login, or you may also create an account. After you made your account and do the login, or even if you do with the Google the login, then you go again to the airdrop. After that, you have to open an account here, and you may create your own wallet, or you may recover importing the numeric words. So if you're not sure about this, my advice to you will do make a new wallet. Okay, so create a new wallet, and there we go. We have a new wallet here, and all we have to do is go back to the airdrop and then apply to the airdrop, and it's done. Okay, so done. What is going to happen is soon I will receive my 20 Chive coins, okay? Remember, this is a limited budget. You have it here.
100,000 Chives coin.
Like I said earlier, first to come, first to serve. They have time, so will be around 30 days, a month. And they already have 122 applications, so be fast and claim your coins. And I see you on the next video.